Hi, in this video we are going to see how to connect CCTV plus camera to PC. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. First we will go to cpplusworld.com/software. In here you will find KVMS Pro Win. You need to download it. I will give link in my description. After downloading, unzip it. Then right click on setup, run as an administrator. Installation process will start. Just click next, install. Installation process will progress. Once it complete installation process, click on Run KVMS Pro and then finish. This software will open. Now set the password for this application. It is login password for your software. After setting up this password, just click on that auto login after registration. Now click next. Now select the questions and give the answers. It will help you to recover in case of forgotten password. Okay. Once software installation done, open the software. Auto search for local devices. If you want to connect locally, you can select this method. In my case, I am going to show how to add device in internet, so you can able to access anywhere in the world. Click on add, give the name. Select it is IP address to select here serial number option, and then put the serial number and the username of the DVR or NVR, and then give the password. After giving password, click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, you check this status. Status will become online. Once it is become online, it will connect successfully. Now click on new tab, click on live view to view the cameras. Here is the demo which we have added. Now I am going to right click on that. Click on substream. So you are now able to open cameras successfully. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.